Alright, I was hoping somebody could help me out. Trying to figure out what's wrong with my engine. I got a 350 small block in a Chevy. It's making a ticking sound, more of a knocking. Just got this car. I was told the previous owner drove it with low oil, so I was hoping you guys could help me out. Let me know what you think it is. It's a knocking right now. And there it is. It's mostly, I can drive this car about probably 25 miles an hour. No, about 20 miles an hour. And when I hit about 35, the knocking just gets louder and louder. Hopefully you guys can help me out. Thanks.